What is happiness? Is it a feeling, a state of mind, or something more? Philosophers have been wondering about this for thousands of years. Aristotle, who was born in 384 BC, believed that there were 4 levels of happiness. Fleeting joy from material possessions is at level 1. Video games, chocolate, social media, you get it, the stuff that go by very quickly. Level 2 has to do with personal achievements, winning a race, an A+ on a test, graduating, and so on. The next level is all about making the world a better place by giving your time or resources to help others. It seems like the happiness from this level is more lasting and is better at sustaining you in the long term. And then there's level 4, which according to Aristotle is a deeper fulfillment from a spiritual connection. It's the feeling of being connected to something greater than yourself. So what does science say? Research suggests that a big portion of our happiness is determined by our genetics. Some people are just naturally more cheerful, and others, well, not so much. But there's good news. Your habits and mindsets can promote happiness. Things like setting meaningful goals, writing and journaling, and instead of constantly comparing your life to others, switching off your phone every now and again can make a huge difference. Perhaps true happiness comes from balancing the 4 levels proposed by Aristotle. There's no easy answer, but by exploring different theories, learning from ancient wisdom, and reflecting on our own experiences, we can each embark on our own unique journey towards a happier life. To learn more about the philosophy of happiness, go to the notes section on the Tools for Teens platform. We'll see you there.